Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and assistant so you change the right settings. Then press the physical mute or microphone off button to stop live listening. This gives you time to work without accidental triggers. Once muted, open the companion app or device settings because the app exposes the toggles you need. You do this now to avoid background recording while you adjust permissions and make sure the device remains powered so changes apply immediately. Now you disable the wake word to prevent automatic activation. In the assistant settings, switch off voice activation and any wake word options. This stops the assistant from listening for triggers. Next, revoke microphone and background app permissions so the software cannot access audio when expected. Once done, turn off features like voice match and in-app voice purchases because they keep voice profiles and can re-enable listening. These steps remove both the trigger and the underlying access, reducing passive listening risk. You finish by restarting the device to ensure settings take effect, and then test by saying the wake word and checking for response. No reply means success. If the assistant resets or settings revert, perform a factory reset or uninstall recent updates as a deeper fix because corrupted software can re-enable features. If things go wrong, check firmware and app versions, reinstall the companion app, and contact support if the assistant still listens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.